Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Idioms. It's great to have you with us as we explore common English idioms used in daily conversations. Today, we're going to look at two interesting phrases, a dime a dozen and once in a blue moon. Let's get started. First up is a dime a dozen. This idiom means that something is very common, not unique, and therefore not very valuable or special. For example, you might say, generic superhero movies are a dime a dozen these days. Now, let's see how Clara and Daniel use this idiom in a conversation.
I'm looking for a new restaurant to try, but so many have opened recently.
I know. It feels like new burger places are a dime a dozen in this part of town.
Exactly. It's hard to find one that offers something truly different.
Next, we have the idiom, once in a blue moon. This phrase means that something happens very rarely. For instance, I only get to see my old school friends once in a blue moon because we live so far apart. Let's listen to Clara and Daniel use this idiom.
Daniel, have you heard? The Celestial Orchestra is actually coming to our city for one night next month. They hardly ever tour internationally.
Wow, the Celestial Orchestra? Seriously? A chance to see them perform live must come once in a blue moon.
Exactly. It's so incredibly rare. We absolutely have to go. It might be our only chance ever.
Totally. We can't miss this. Let's grab our tickets right away.
So today we've learned two useful idioms. A dime a dozen, meaning something is very common, and once in a blue moon, meaning something happens very rarely. We hope you found these explanations helpful. Try to use them in your own conversations. What are some things that are a dime a dozen where you live, or an activity you do once in a blue moon? Share your examples in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Tidbits for more everyday idioms. See you next time.